Guys, how you doing? Fat Cash here. All right, listen, I got a pick for you. I'm gonna make it quick. It's called Rton, R-T-O-N, and the reason I love it is a lot of reasons, and I'm gonna compare it to another product that's out there that's very similar. Okay, what Rton is? It is a CBD-based cigarette, okay? Now, the share price is 0.0025. You heard that right. It's a quarter of a penny, okay? The market cap is 2 million. The outstanding shares is like 900 million. That's low for these OTC stocks. That's very low. What I love about it, why I love it, okay? Let me compare it to a stock that's out there. It's actually a pick I gave you guys a while back, a couple months ago. It's similar. It's a CBD cigarette. It's called Tobaf, T-O-B-A-F, which I love that company too, okay? And I think that one keeps going up. But you can buy for one share of Tobaf, which is $3.17. You can invest that $3.17 into Rton, and you'll get 1,268 shares, okay? Look, I'm not advising anybody to do anything. This is just my opinion. But if I were going to tell my brother, my sister, I don't have a brother, but I wish I did. If I was going to tell my little sister or my cousin, or if you're going to tell, whoever, if I was talking to whoever I was talking to, anyone I cared about, I would tell them, buy 1 million shares. It's going to cost about $2,500 to $3,000, okay? Sit on 1 million shares. If you can get more, get more. That's what I would tell my sister. That's what I told my sister. That's what I tell every one of my neighbors, okay, that wants to know. I tell them. Okay, I would tell them buy at least 1 million shares. It's going to be like between 2,500 and 3,500, depending on where this stock goes. I think anything under 10 cents for this stock is crazy. I don't think. I mean, look, Tobaf is at $3.17. Let that thing sink in for a second. $3.17 a share. This is a very similar product. Is $1 a share out of the question? For a similar product, 33% less. I mean, 50 cents, $1? I mean, I don't think $1 is that far of a reach. I mean, a lot of people throw these dollars out of here, going to dollar land and all that. And I God bless them, they believe it. And I do it too. I believe it. But this one think about it, is if a stock's out there that's $3.17 and it's a similar product, is it that far of a reach? I don't think so. I mean, if you look at Tobaf, they're a $200 million company right now. That's their market cap. Rton has a 2 million market cap. 2 million. So think of the difference that this has the room to run in the price from a quarter of a penny. You can get 4 shares for a penny of this. 4 shares for a penny, as opposed to $3.17 a share. And I'm not knocking Tobaf. I love Tobaf, okay? I'm sure it has its own distinct qualities, But like I said, this is similar. If you know anyone that smokes, I know I'm not advocating smoking. I think it's very bad for you. We all know that. But the problem is people that smoke, they try to quit. They try to look for a healthier alternative. And a lot of times, they go back because it doesn't satisfy. This has CBD oil, which supposedly calms you, and you don't want that nicotine. Okay, so there's no nicotine in here, and that's the thing that hurts you. So it's actually a healthier alternative from what I read. I mean, I don't know for sure, but that's what I'm reading. So so it's something that I think the millennials will be behind, because they're, and I did hear it was posted on Reddit. It's over there, and we know how crazy those millennial Reddit people are. They're magical. And let me tell you, I personally think they're super high moral people. I think they're always for the right cause. They love the world. They want to save the planet. They want to save the world, and God bless them, But I think they're going to love this. They like to also, they like cannabis, but like I said, they're hip. They're hip as heck. So I think they're going to, and by the way, I believe a lot of them are now, all got off of their platform after that whole GameStop stuff, whatever we want to call it. And now you're going to see money pouring into the OTC because they weren't able to buy OTC before. And I think you're already seeing that. I think you're already seeing it based off of this week, how much money's pouring into this OTC. So that's why I say something like this with something with that, and just the average investor is gonna. I feel like I got a good finger, you know, on the pulse, and I feel like I love this. I'm fairly certain there's going to be a few other people that love this too, not just millennials, okay? But the millennials right now are magical. They're a driving force to be reckoned with, and I think they're going to jump on this, okay? And a lot of people that got into GameStop just to buy, got into trading just to buy GameStop, and now they're like, hey, this is pretty cool. I'm going to stay with it. And now all that's coming over to the OTC. That's my opinion, okay? I don't have any facts. I didn't do a poll or a study on it, but I have that opinion, okay? That's my feeling about it, and I think you're seeing that. But anyway, all these are my opinion, guys. Everything I'm saying here is just my opinion. I'm not advising anyone to buy this or you know, do anything. Please make your own decisions. I don't want any credit for this succeeding, and I don't want any, you know, negativity if it don't, all right? Because I'm just throwing these out there, guys. I want you to follow me. Don't just follow me blindly, guys. Don't follow me blindly, guys. I know a lot of you guys know me and follow me. You know, I know it's been said that a lot of my picks keep going, they keep coming back, and they do. This is not you know, this is not just a daily runner. This thing is a long hold, and I think this might be one of the better ones. This might be up there with the Cove, the Cells that went nuts yesterday, mine, I don't know, Wolf, you know, WDLF. This is, I feel, on that level or better, and I don't think there's any reason for this not to make you guys $1 million bucks. Okay, if you get 1 million shares, there's no excuses. All right, I love you.